Guys, so I have the Weather Channel turned on. No. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I have the Weather Channel turned on because I woke up to like at least 3 flash flood warnings this morning because it's like raining outside. So let's see. So I'm going to show you guys the alerts right now. This one came in at around, hold on, okay, that message right there. So that one came in around an hour ago, and then I got another one that came in 15 minutes ago, so not very long ago. There we go. So yeah, that's how I start my morning. At least I don't have to work today, so I don't have to deal with a lot of cray-cray. Eat breakfast now, so peace. Hey guys, so another alert just came in for another flash flood warning, bruh. And it's until 12:18 p.m. So they just updated it now. Just showing you guys now. Like, it doesn't have like the traditional EAS alerts. Like, bruh. It's actually kind of like whatever. But anyway, that's what it looks like. So I just take this remote and watch this. There we go. Hey guys, so an update. So another alert just went on, but this one's just emergency alert system test. So for those of you, there's another emergency alert. But this is what it looks like on the Apple TV 4K, guys. Okay, peace out. Okay guys, so I'm watching the Weather Channel because I want to track the storm Elsa. So yeah, so basically, I mean, there's, okay, I post over. So in Tampa there is, hold on, I was the one who was seeing my passcode. So for Tampa, like, be careful guys out there. Hurricane warning, tropical storm warning, storm surge warning, tornado watch, tropical weather statement, river flood warning, and flood watch. So anyone that's in like the Tampa area or anywhere over in this area, like if you guys are in that area, be really careful tonight and stay safe for everyone that's in the path of the hurricane. And stay safe for anyone that's in the path of the hurricane Elsa. Yeah, that's basically what I've been tracking all day because, like, I mean, I was going to track our weather today. I mean, we're not under a flash flood warning no more, so yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing right now, and I'll update you guys if there's any more about Hurricane Elsa, because it's supposed to go up towards, it's like 70 miles per hour right there, and it's supposed to go all the way up to Savannah, like, yeah, so that's where like it's going to go towards up towards Jacksonville. I'm not really good at like explaining stuff, but yeah, you guys just be really careful out there. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Guys, so on this side right here, here's like a better view of like what Elsa looks like and where it's gonna go. So it's 70 mile per hour winds, pressure 1000 MB. I don't really know what that is. Moving north at 9 miles per hour. So just stay safe. And if there's like an evacuation order, you guys should probably follow that if you're in the area of Elsa. So it looks like Elsa is getting closer to a hurricane strength, guys, so be careful. Guys, it is midnight. And yeah, I have not done like a live stream tonight because I'm taking a break. Because like what happened last night, because I'm like, I mean, there's trolls. I mean, I ignore the trolls, but yeah, so I will be doing a live stream tomorrow night. So anyway, if you guys like this video, make sure we get to 2K subs. But if you really enjoyed it, subscribe, like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Bye. And by the way, guys, stay safe out there if you're in the path of the hurricane. I mean, it's gonna be a hurricane. Anyway, you guys that are in the tropical storm hurricane path, tropical storm / hurricane path, be safe out there. Listen to like all those people if you're under an evacuation order. Like, guys, just do it if you guys are. But anyway, peace out, guys. Bye.